USAF grounds KC-46 fleet over structural cracks, raising serious concerns. The United States Air Force USAF has taken the unprecedented step of grounding its entire fleet of KC-46A Pegasus aerial refueling tankers after structural cracks were found in two newly manufactured aircraft. The discovery, initially reported by the War Zone, has prompted a thorough inspection of all 89 KC-46 planes currently in service. This latest issue adds to the long list of technical and operational setbacks plaguing the Pegasus program, raising serious concerns about Boeing's ability to deliver a reliable and mission-ready tanker. KC-46A Pegasus, a program troubled by recurring issues. The KC-46A Pegasus was envisioned as a modern solution to replace the aging KC-135 Stratoker tank, which has been in service since the 1950s. Boeing designed the aircraft to provide aerial refueling, cargo transport, and airlift support for military operations worldwide. However, since its inception, the program has been riddled with challenges including software malfunctions, issues with its refueling boom, and now structural integrity problems. According to USAF sources, the recently discovered cracks are located within the aircraft's internal framework rather than on external surfaces or hinges. While the Air Force has not disclosed the exact nature of these faults, concerns over safety and long-term durability have led to a fleet-wide operational stand-down until further assessments are completed. Strategic and operational challenges for the US military. The grounding of the KC-46 fleet presents significant challenges for US military operations, particularly in strategic regions like the Indo-Pacific and the Middle East, where aerial refueling plays a critical role in sustaining long-range missions. Without the Pegasus, the USAF must rely on its aging KC-135 fleet, which was originally scheduled for gradual decommissioning. Additionally, with the KC-10 extender already retired, military planners now face logistical hurdles in maintaining global refueling capabilities. A 2024 report from the Director of Operational Test and Evaluation had already flagged key concerns regarding the KC-46 performance. The aircraft's mission-capable rate and operational availability were significantly below required benchmarks, raising doubts about its reliability in combat scenarios. Earlier this year, another setback occurred when a malfunction in the refueling boom system led to operational delays, further compounding problems for the program. Boeing's response and the future of the Pegasus program. In response to the latest crisis, Boeing has stated that it is working closely with the Air Force to investigate and address the structural cracks. The company remains committed to making necessary reinforcements and upgrades to ensure the KC-46 meets operational standards. However, this development puts additional pressure on Boeing, which has already faced scrutiny over its handling of fixed-price military contracts. With no immediate alternative to the Pegasus, the USAF may have to extend the lifespan of the KC-135 while pushing Boeing for faster fixes. This situation raises broader concerns about the program's future and whether the Pentagon may need to explore alternative air mobility strategies. As the Air Force conducts further inspections and Boeing works on solutions, the coming months will be crucial in determining whether the KC-46 can regain trust or if the Pentagon must reconsider its long-term refueling strategy.